Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topics algebraic manipulation. Chapter 2Z. We will start from 6. Let's start. Number 6. Here is e divided e square minus f square divide e square minus 2ef divide e square plus 2ef plus f square. So here we are working for 6. We can write this one e divide. Here is a square minus f square means a square minus b square. What does mean? A square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. So we can write here e plus f times e minus f. Okay, divide. Here we can take common e, so e minus 2f. Okay, and look, here is a square plus 2ef plus f square. So this one we can write, we know a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. So similar this one we can write here e plus f whole square. Okay, and here is e plus f divide e minus f. So in here is divide. If we multiply, then numerator and denominator will be exchanged. So here is e plus f whole square, and here is e minus 2f. Okay, now this e and e we can cut. Here is e plus f and here is e plus f square. So here is only e plus f. Okay, so our answer is here is e plus f and here is e minus f into e minus 2f. Okay, this is our answer. So hope you understand this one. Number 6, our answer is e plus f divide e minus f into e minus 2f. Thank you. Number 7. Here is a square minus 4b square divide a square plus 2ab divide ab. So this one we can write, here is a square minus 4b square. Look, we know a square minus b square equal a plus b times a minus b. Here is a square minus 4b square, a square minus 4b square. This one we can convert to a square minus b square, like a square minus 2b square. So we can write a plus 2b and a minus 2b. So we can write here a plus 2b times a minus 2b. And here is divide sign. We can once we place multiply, so this ab will become numerator and a square plus 2ab become denominator. Okay, now look, here is a plus 2b and a minus 2b times, here is ab and we can take common, here is a, so here is a plus 2b. Okay, now this a and this a we can cut, and a plus 2b and here is a plus 2b we can cut. So here is b and here is a minus 2b. This is our answer. Hope you understand. So 6 and 7 we already complete. 6 done, 7 done. Now we will start number 8. Number 8, here is x square minus xy divide x square minus y square divide xy divide 2x plus 2y. So here we can take common x, so here is x minus y, and here is x square minus y square. We can write x plus y times x minus y. Okay, this divide we can exchange denominator and numerator. So here is 2x plus 2y, and here is xy. Look, this x minus y and this x minus y we can cut. Here is x and x we can cut. So here is, if we can take common 2, so here is x plus y, and here is also, here is y and x plus y. So again we can cut x plus y, our answer will be 2 by y.